Hello everybody! In this video tutorial we would like to demonstrate how you can buy more storage on an iPhone 14 series device. So first of all, you need to launch the settings, then enter your dedicated Apple ID page or your personal Apple ID card that is located right over here. Then go for the iCloud. Then choose to upgrade to iCloud Plus option over here. Then choose what plan you would like to use, how much of an extra space you really need. So the options are 50 gigabytes, 200 gigabytes, and 2 terabytes. So for their respective price, it may differ from region to region, but generally it is pretty affordable, I would say. Then just go for the upgrade to iCloud Plus option. Then choose what, not really on this step, but you will need to choose the payment method for it, but it obviously uses the Apple Pay. So just tap on the subscribe option. If you have the Face ID installed, it will, scan your face. If not, as it is in my case, it will ask that you enter the Apple ID password of yours, which I'll do off the screen real quick. Then wait until the payment gets through. It will either use your Apple wallets, Apple balance that you either have or do not have. If your credit is not sufficient, it will provide you with such dialog window which says that your App Store credit is insufficient at the moment, so it will not cover the subscription price or the first month subscription price. So it will suggest that you add some other payment method or top up your App Store balance, for example. So let me just wait until this page gets through and provides me with an opportunity to enter my payment method, alternative payment method, but it just crashed pretty much. So I'll just do the same thing that I've just did once again. It will once again tell me that my credit is not sufficient. I'll enter the Apple ID password once more. Already, I failed to enter the right password, so let me do it once again. Already. Now we gotta provide me with the opportunity to add some alternative payment method. So let's wait until it gets loaded. Already, here it is. Perfect. So since we are in Poland currently, it provides us with an opportunity to credit our Apple account or use the BLIK technology as the payment method, or you can also add some other payment method like Apple Pay, credit, debit card, BLIK, mobile phone. You can also have some regional ways of topping up your balance that are unique to your particular region. So let's say a very default option to choose is just bank card. In here, simply enter your bank card data, so number, expire date, CVV. And after that, tap on done. It will bill this card, and that will be pretty much it. I will not be able to enter any card because I do not have the prop bank card that I can use, but nothing really hard about it. Just enter the card data as I've just explained, or use any other suitable payment method that will be convenient for you, and it will just bill your card or whatever for the amount of the subscription plan that you have gone for in terms of the storage space, extra storage space already. So that's as comprehensive as I can explain it. So thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for your attention, and bye bye.